bike. There's a parrot riding a bike. I think you're gonna like that parrot on a bike. Oh my word, that's quite absurd. I've never heard of a cycling bird. Pigeon on a roller coaster. There's a pigeon on a roller coaster. He's putting bread in the toaster. That pigeon on a roller coaster. Oh my word, that's quite absurd. I've never heard of a theme park bird. Puffin on a scooter. There's a puffin riding a scooter. You'll never see anything cuter than the puffin on a scooter. Oh my word, that's quite absurd. I've never heard of a scooting bird. Pelican driving a van. There's a pelican driving a van. Catch him if you can. That pelican driving a van. Oh my word, that's quite absurd. I've never heard of a van driving bird. Penguin in a car. There's a penguin driving a car. I don't think he'll go far. That penguin driving a car. Oh my word, that's quite absurd. I've never heard of a driving bird. Oh my word, that's quite absurd. I've never heard of such clever birds. They're so clever. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching Parrot on a Bike as much as we enjoyed making it. It was great fun. Thought maybe I could tell you a little bit about how it came about. My plan generally during the project was not to have too much of a plan in order to let the children come up with all the ideas, and this was no exception. I walked into Acres Hill School one Wednesday morning, and this little boy came running up to me and said, Martin, do you know, I saw a parrot on a bike. And I thought he was joking, but actually it was true. He'd been on holiday and seen a parrot riding a bike. So we started just going, parrot on a bike, a parrot on a bike. I think you're going to like a parrot on a bike. And then a rock and roll tune on the guitar. And that was fun and made us laugh. We sung it over and over again. And then we started thinking, well, maybe there's another bird that could be on a different piece of transport. And he knew a lot of birds, all of which randomly began with P. So the words to the song are mostly written by a 4-year-old, just with a little help with the odd rhyme and the chorus. And then Mooney and I put the video together afterwards. And it's been great. Thank you.